In the majority of cases, life is more risky for the males because they either succeed or fail, whereas almost all the females breed. That is why evolution has made the males bigger and more aggressive. It is the female who must choose the best genes because her eggs are few, limited and valuable, and what's more, it is they who will have to look after the young. For a male, the cost of an error is insignificant. His sperm can easily be replaced. In humans, for example, a woman produces just 400 eggs in her entire life, but a man releases 300 million sperm in each ejaculation. The Magellanic penguin is colonial and monogamous, so while some males are with their lifelong mate, others, still single, try to find a partner. But it is not easy. While others triumph, he is scorned. Despite the insistence of this male, the female rejects him because he does not have his own hole in which to lay the eggs. No way is she going to risk reproducing with someone who is not even capable of getting there in time to grab a decent home. And without a home sweet home, the girl simply isn't interested, no matter how much he insists. For the female, it is very important that the future father of her eggs has his own living quarters. So if this male wants a mate, he'll just have to get here a bit earlier next year.